Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Alex Builds. We've now got stage 48 of Hero Collector and Eagle Moss's Build Your Own Ghostbusters Ecto 1. Okay, so stage 48, we are continuing on with this front seat, so we've got a lot of bits to put in, and yeah, so we've got a lot of screws to do as well. So let me show you. Look at that. You get the rest of the parts for the seats. These are the backs to the seats in there. So let me show you what we're actually going to be doing. Just these 2 pages. So we're going to be putting the sort of like foam piece in there. Then we're going to be putting the metal bit in. Then we're going to be securing that on with MP screws. It's pretty much similar to what we did with the last one when we folded the tabs over and we screwed them down. We're doing that again with that. Then we're going to put the backs on. We're going to do that twice. Then we can start putting them onto the actual seat itself. And then towards the end, we'll attach the seat to the actual floor plan just there with some DP screws, and we should end up with the seat on the floor plan just like that. So it'll be very cool to have the front seat complete. So yeah, let's get the parts open, start building. Okay, so we've got the parts out of the packaging. As you can see, I've got them laid out in this sort of order. So these are the actual sponge parts that are going to go in the center. We've got the 2 back parts and the side and the backing part for it. So these 3 here all have L's on them. These 3 here all have R's on them. So this is for the right side, this is for the left side. So we'll start off with the right side. So I want to take this part here, which is like the rubbery part. Take a sponge, put that inside, making sure all the tabs are visible, just like that. Then we can take this part, and as you can see on here, we do have a cutout here, and we don't at the top here. So we want to keep that with these 2 cutouts on here. So we can slide that in, making sure we get all these tabs over the actual screw ports, just like so. Now we can take all these MP screws we've got here, and we can start securing this on. So let's get the first one on. One. A lot of screws for one seat. A lot of screws. Let's do this one. That's us halfway around there. Do this side. You don't need to over tighten these, just do them tight enough so they're not going to come off. There we are. So we're keeping that groove cut out down there now. Now we need to take the back, and with the indentations coming out, we want that to fall down there. And now when we line this up with the back, we've got that groove that's kept there. I don't know if you can make that out. See? Keeping the groove all the way through. So now we're going to secure this on. We're going to use AP screws now. So I'm going to get some AP screws out. And let's get this on. 6 AP screws. All in the back. Let's go there first. And here. 2 in the middle. I'm going to go to this end first. And 1 more there. Now the 2 in the middle to finish up this backing part of the seat. That's that one. Last screw. Just like that. So now we've got the back end of the seat just like that. This is the right side, so I'm going to go ahead and make the left side. So there we are. I've now got the right and left side because I went, and there we are. I've left side now, so now we've got the right and left sides. So now we need to bring back our seat that we had from last time. So obviously the left hand side is going to go on the left side, the right hand side is going to go on the right hand side. We've now lost our L's and R's that were on here, But the way you can know which way to go is we've got a little nipple and some location holes on this side, on that one, and on that side on that one. You want them on the outer side. So now we can start fitting these on. So I'm going to fit these on just there. They're going to go on with AP screws yet again. Let's grab an AP screw, start securing these in. So I'll try and turn it around so you can see it. I'm going to put one there, and I'm going to put one on the on this side, so it will hold it for us. Number 2, that's going to hold that now. Number 3, and the 4th one, and that's this side complete. Let's get that on. That's that chair on. As you can see, should be able to move that forward and backwards just like that. So now we just need to do the same with the opposite side. Let's get that one on. Again, AP screws for that one. Let's get this one in. That one. Get this side in. Two more. There we go. There's one more to go, and that's in this hole here. Still got 2 bags of screws that I haven't opened. So they must be for the last 2 stages. So there we go, look at that. Doesn't that look cool? That is the actual seat part complete. Just need to put some brackets on either side. So that's these 2 brackets here. So we do have an R and an L. So the one with the L, so they can only really go on because we've got the thingy on. So the one with the L is the driver's side. The one with the R is the passenger side. Just like that. So now we need LP screws. Let's get them. I'm going to secure this side on first. Make sure I've got it in the hole. Put that one onto there. Same here. Exactly the same for this side. And the last screw. There we are. Now we've got the bracket parts down the side. Look at that. Ain't that looking good? So now the final step is to actually attach this to the base part. So we'll bring that in. Okay, so we've brought in our actual base part. As you can see, we've got these 2 parts here. We've got the 2 screw holes. We've got a location point here and there. That's for the nipples on the bottom sides of here. So we've got one this side, one this side here. So that's going to help us locate that in when we put that on. Just feel it drop in, just like that. That's that in. We turn this over. We've got the 4 holes here, 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 and here. We're going to need the screws in there. So let's get the first one in. Just going to put one in this side so it doesn't fall out. Two more to go. There we are, that's that attached onto there. Look at that. Ain't that looking cool? So our dashboard is going to sit here. So I'm going to have a little show. See if I can show you. So the actual dashboard part is going to sit onto here, just like so. Look at that. Ain't that cockpit area looking very, very cool. Obviously we're going to have our steering wheel and everything on there. But yeah, looking very cool. So this is all going to get screwed down onto there. Wow. Very impressed at the moment. Love the seats. It's like a hard, rough, plasticky rubber, which is very cool. So that is it for this one. It doesn't ask us to attach the actual dashboard, by the way. I've just done that just for a play. So I'm going to put that to the side. We're going to leave that for the moment. What we're doing next. So next time, let's look at stage 49. We're doing the past driver's side rear workstation. So look at that. That's what we're doing in the next one. That was a lot of screws to put in that issue. Don't know why you need that many screws for a chair, but that chair isn't going to come apart. There's so many screws in that. I don't think that'll ever come apart. So yeah, it's well constructed. But I thought the actual back parts could have been done with tabs or something like we did with the DeLorean. Just flip them over. But the back actually keeps it in place. You know what I mean? So it won't come apart. But they've opted for a different way of doing it with the Ecto one, which is cool, but it's a lot of screw in it. So I think coming up tomorrow, I'm probably going to have some more DeLorean, so make sure you come over and check that out as well. If you like this video, please leave a like down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.